Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So before I start of this video, what's in this one over here? This is a Cartier unboxing today. Guys, if you like to see more of unboxing, handbag related, beauty products, reviews, it's also travel blog, then please subscribe to my channel. So also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and also share, guys, so you can see your family and friends. And without further ado, let's get started. So I finally managed to get this item that in here because I wish I did get this one when I was in England, because way back then it was cheaper, but now I decided to purchase this and it's like double the price and it's ridiculous. And way back then it just way cheaper, but oh well, sometimes I learned my lesson that sometimes if you really want it, get it, because later on, since this companies keep increasing the prices every year now, sometimes you do twice a year. Oh my god, I just a big sigh because to be honest with you, it's like I said, it just is a waste that I didn't get this one. I could have two of these items. I could have this two of this item way back then, but like I said, it's like lesson learned for me. So yeah, and I'm gonna show what it is, and I get my receipt and also my certificate. And here, guys, what's this? I don't know why they have this box over here. Anyhow, oops, come out with this. This is from this one to protect. So you guys, what did I get? I get the Trinity cord bracelet, and like I said, guys, way back before, it's a really good price. Oops, it goes. So I choose a green, and I think they gave me, let me see, guys, they gave me an extra one. So I get the blue, green, and I was wanting a pink, but she doesn't get, he didn't put any pink at all. Oh, let's see. That's only, actually just only two items. He said he's gonna give me 3 items of this for free. And he also mentioned that I can go back every time I want to replace this cord if I want to. But to be honest with you guys, they don't have a Cartier in my local area. So if in case if I go to Miami or West Palm Beach, then I will replace the cord. But for time being, there's no close to my area, and I don't know how I can do this. He said that he has a video that you can how to do it yourself, and hopefully it's easy because or not it's gonna be struggle changing this. So that's the one. Let me put this one actually. So I'm here wearing my Justin Clo and my uh, ring. To be honest with you guys, I don't know if it's easy to do this. Okay. So I did use my teeth to put this one, but you can ask a friend or your husband to pull it with you. And so just sometimes if you have, so I'm just using that to pull. So that's good enough for me. It's gonna struggle. This is what it looks like, guys. It's kind of struggle to tighten up of this thing, but you can ask your husband or your family to tighten up for you. But if you live alone but nobody around with you, just use your teeth because it's work. I did, that's what I did. And once you pull a little bit, it's just easy to move, you know, to make it more tighten. And I bought this one because I I saw every Instagram that I followed has this Trinity cord bracelet. It's so nice for stacking. It's very simple. You can change any color. They have red, green, blue, pink, and gold. I wish I did have gold because she gave me the green one already. And I was thinking about red, but I said to myself, nah, maybe just blue green is much. So that's why I'm feeling green lately. I don't know why. I love the green lately. See, it's just a beautiful stock, guys. I really love it. I did see one also in LV. I has this cord like this one, but the one I found cheaper is from Cartier, and I'm not sure in Tiffany, but I did love the Trinity one, and this is the one I love it so much before, and now I got it, and now I a little bit regret because I didn't get long time ago. You have this one on my collections, and look how cool is that. It's beautiful. It's actually I can give this to my husband as well. He can wear this one as well, but this size is for me, so I love it. And so this is the receipt, and this is called um 3T bracelet, 3 gold and something like that. So yeah, doesn't say much of it in the receipt, so I just put right here where my authenticity cards are, so it's easy for me. So I don't want to show it, guys, because you know it's better to hide your authenticity number so nobody can copy it. And so yeah, I gave this two, and two string over here. I wish I did get the pink. He did not give any pink at all or gold, but anyhow, it's okay. When I go to Miami, I probably ask for another color for this, and so just for stock. And that's it for my Cartier unboxing today, guys. Thank you so much and really appreciate, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.